to the laboratory. Today, we aren't gonna be doing slime, and we're never gonna do slime again, ever. I'm done with it.
I'm just kidding.
Today, we are gonna be doing something a little different. We're still gonna be making slime, but it's not gonna be
the main focal point.
The slime will not be the main character today. What will be our Nano Tape Bubbles. Yay! Okay, so I think that's what it's called. I've been seeing these things everywhere on Instagram. You get this double-sided tape, and then you double-side it together, and then you blow air in it, and it can be like this squishy little balloon, and it's really interesting. So you know what? I'm gonna try it, and then once if I actually can do it, I'm gonna try and put slime in there because, well, why not? Anyways, let's go straight on into the video. Yo! I don't know why I keep throwing them up so high. Oh, I'm really sorry I dropped your Mountain Dew.
Yeah.
I deserve it.
I've been wanting to do this for a while now. Paul ordered these tape thingies from like 2 weeks ago or something, and we're gonna do it, so. It smells like vinyl.
I'm gonna sit down for this.
It smells like vinyl, like for pool floaties. So I don't really know what the point of me saying that was for, but anyways, we're gonna start off with something simple, which I've seen people use a balloon pump to just pump in some air. So we're gonna start off with that. Where are scissors?
Well,
I need a knife.
So you're supposed to like fold it and then just kind of squish the sides like a lot. This is like surgery. I want to go back to making slime. And we get the other part and we like seal that up together like a lot. Now we peel the plastic part off. There you go. Oh, whoa, look at me. And now for the moment of truth, I'm just gonna squish these a bit more. Now for the moment of truth. Oh, I think it's working, Yes, it's working. Okay, that's a lot harder than I thought it'd be. No, it's working. I gave up, I quit. I'm just kidding. We got a little something there. I don't know what happened. Oh, this part right here, that exploded open. So Paul told me that you're supposed to melt these together with like hair dryer, and I did not get a hair dryer. So maybe he was correct. Maybe you were in fact right, Paul. All right, we're gonna try again. Come on. Yes. Okay, now how do I close it? I did it, look at it. Okay, then a lot of this. It's like a ravioli, clear ravioli. Okay, so. Okay, we're gonna try again and again and again and again until I get it or until I use all of my tape. And I have tricked you into watching a 45-minute video of me trying to make a nano tape bubble. So we get the tape and we tape it together and really squish it together. It won't work. I got this little tiny bubble. Where is the air coming out of? Okay, I'm bamboozled. I don't know what to do. I think I might need to do something. I don't know what it is, but I need to do something. Look at what I did all on my own. It turns out I just need to turn off the camera and have no evidence that I did it.
but I did it.
So I've seen, Paul did this, by the way, if you couldn't tell. I like this. Okay, now to break it. We're gonna try this time.
And I'm gonna do it.
Better than Paul could ever do it. With my own strategy I came up with, you put it just on the tip. We squish these to the side. Now we're gonna make the bubble. I did it! Stop! Okay, I did it. Look at how cute. It kind of looks like a little Kirby. Is that the pink thing?
Yeah.
It looks like a little Kirby. That does not, it was fun. Definitely could have choked, so I wouldn't recommend doing it, but it didn't taste good at all. Okay, I think we've gotten past the first stage of doing it. Now we're gonna try and draw on it. And then I've seen people put like foam beads and glitter in it. And then at the very end, guys, once we've really perfected our craft of nano tape bubble things, we're gonna put some slime in it. So I got this 50 count markers at Walmart. They aren't Sharpie, but it came with a case. So I couldn't pass up on a deal like that. I can't also open it. We're gonna make a cotton candy one because I love cotton candy and I don't want anybody to question anything else. We are going to, I don't know how to do this. So we've got this all set up. I'm gonna make my little things now. I'm gonna make a heart for this one. Oh wow, that was much easier to draw than I expected. Okay, I've got this beautiful pink heart with a blue background. The heart is still there. Did I do it? I think I did it. I love these little ears they always have. Okay, we're gonna cut those off.
There you go, Mira. I made a panda.
Oh, look how cute it is. He's gonna cut off his ears though.
We don't want ears.
What happened? No, not the panda, not the panda. See, why didn't mine do that? Why are you so much better at it than I? Are you a spy? Come on. Just listen. El gato. They break my heart. Yup. There we go.
Look how cute it is.
Okay, we're gonna get on to the next step. I think that we have perfected this. I think we did a really good job. I've got this. Now we're gonna go on to liquid ones or glitter ones. We're gonna do glitter and then we're gonna do liquid ones. We are gonna be making a sparkly bunny bubble thing. Let's go. I thought this was gonna be kind of hard, but that's okay. I'm gonna do it anyways. And then if I don't manage to make it in the first, I keep ripping off parts of my nail polish. If I don't get this in the first try, I'm gonna cry about it. We are gonna grab the glitter. This is like the pointiest thing I have to kind of put it in the bubble, so that's why I'm using a knife. Okay, it's not too bad. And we're gonna add our bunny sprinkles. And then last thing, we're gonna put some hollow disco stars actually. Now I'm going to put this bad boy there. I haven't tried this technique of folding it to the one side, so I wonder if that's gonna do good. Now for the big reveal. If you don't freaking make, I will pop you myself, Mr. Bubble. It's working. I just don't understand what's going on. Did I? No fudging way. Oh my God, I did it. Look at how cute. I don't think I got as much as glitter in there as I'd liked to, but I think for first attempt, it actually turned out so cute. And the little freaking bunnies in there, I swear, like, oh my bunnies. All right, let's try and pop it. Pretty nice. Okay, I think we have mastered the glitter portion of the nano bubbles. Now we're gonna get on to the liquid part, which I really want to do this because I saw on Instagram this person, they made like little freaking grapes. So we're gonna do something like that. And I also have something that I thought would be pretty funny. I'm gonna put Coke and Mentos in there. Then we're gonna see what happens. Step 2, or stage 2. Where did my, there they go. Stage 2. I'm gonna try and make some galaxy grape thingies.
I don't know.
We'll see. Let's make our liquid first. So I'm gonna do a galaxy purple liquid thing. Coloring. We're gonna put this violet pigment, also slimatory. By the way, guys, I don't think I mentioned in this video, but Slimatory store is coming. So make sure you guys check that out. Now you guys are probably like, what the heck are you talking about, Mira? I did show you guys in a different video, but we are opening an actual physical Slimatory store at Santan Village Mall. It's gonna be in Arizona. So everybody, come to Arizona, come to Santan Village, and come to the Slimatory store. It's gonna be so freaking cool. We've been working on it for so long, and I am so excited, and I really hope you guys like it. This is not as sparkly as I would like it to be. We're gonna add a little bit more.
More pigment.
Pigment doesn't mix very well. Oh no, I made a mess. So we got the tape ready, and we got the syringe, and I'm just gonna, we're doing it. Now, for the moment of truth. I am excited. Oh no, it all went wrong. Come on, come on. I don't think that this is going anywhere. This is just going all over my hands. So here's what we came out with. Oh, look at how cool. Look at that. We've got all the juice in there. What did I do wrong? Okay, we're gonna try it again. Oh, look what happened to yours, Paul. Boo-hoo. Well, I'm making mine now, and I don't think it's gonna work because I might have used a little too much, too little tape, but we're gonna try it.
Yep, there we go.
Here are Paul's, and here's mine. So I think this is good enough for our little grape we wanted to do. So cute. Okay, let's make another color. I think we're doing great. Let's just continue this. So this is a tutorial on how to make easy,
simple
fun crafts, very clean, fun, safe nano bubble crafts. All right, you just get your tape, this double-sided tape, and you get a syringe with stuff in it, like colored water, and then you just squish it in there. Come on, come on. That's how you do it. And you squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And now you've got a Nano Tape bubble water bottle thingy. I'm gonna add that to my oh my God, that one. I'm ready. Okay, so I have no idea what I'm gonna do. But we're gonna wing it because I don't think there's really any instructions on doing Coke Mentos Nano Tape ball thing. So we're gonna grab the Coke. Okay, we're gonna put this in here. And we've got our Mentos. Now, I don't think we can get an entire Mentos in the tape thing because it's like the size of it already. So I'm thinking we're gonna cut it into like a fourth. The surgery went well, guys. The fact that we haven't even Okay, so this is what I call the ravioli method. We're gonna put our Mentos in there. Okay, we got the Mentos in there. We've got a solid pocket going on. We're gonna grab our Coke in our syringe. This is the moment of truth, everybody. I just realized I need to take that plastic off. So remind me to do that by pressing the like button. This is actually like the best little bubble I've made, I feel like, because I've been so careful. And we're going. Oh, it's working, kind of. I can only make these tiny little bubbles, but it kind of worked. That went better than I actually expected. Well, we will put that into the other group of our successful Nano Tape. All right, since that was a fail technically, although it was one of my best nano bubbles, may I add, we are gonna do a regular one, which I don't really know how to do. I'm supposed to throw those bad boys in there. Oh, shoot. It works. Okay, I'm not giving up. We're gonna do what we came here and what we're in the slimatory to do. We're gonna put slime in it. Now, obviously, I can't just shove the slime in there. I need some type of pressure going on. So we're gonna use this syringe. And obviously, I can't put thick slime in a syringe or push it out. So we're gonna make very, very watery water slime. And hopefully that works. A little bit of clear glue, a little bit of glitter, mix that up, and then a whole bunch of water. I feel like that's too much, but I think it's fine. Okay, and then we're gonna activate it. So this is obviously not the most quality slime you've seen. I need it to be extra thin so I can get it through this syringe, so we're gonna go with this. Okay, so Paul pre-made this little tape bubble for me because I guess he thinks I'm not capable of doing it by myself, but whatever. I also realized this does not have any glitters in it. It just sucked out the glitters. So we're just gonna go with blue slime. Yeah, no way. You guys do not know how happy I am. How is that the only one that has worked? I didn't even, not a single drop. Look at this. There's no drops. Take two. Yeah, oh my God. I am so happy this is actually working. Okay, we got a nice bubble here, all right? But I don't think it wants to seal on the bottom. Oh no, the tripod exploded. Okay, I decided to go with the smaller syringe because it's got like a longer nozzle. So we're gonna do that. And if I fail, I will throw a tantrum. Did it work? No! Well, that was a humbling experience for sure. Here are the best nano bubbles we have here. We've got this guy, look at him, still going strong and not a single leak ever to happen. Along with this guy as well. No leaks here, that's for sure. There was not a single leak. And these guys, they were filled with air and they did deflate, but they're still bonita. Look at that little guy. Look at his little face.
I think we did really good.
Anyways, guys, comment down below if you want me to do a part 2 to this. Maybe I should get like 5-10 different types of the tape brand. Maybe I need to find the correct brand. I don't know. That is it. Let me so much. I really, really hope I see you next time. Bye.